Spread love wherever you go. Hello mga Mars, welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we're going to feature a Graptoveria opalina of succulents. It is a hybrid of Echeveria colorata and Graptopetalum amethystum. It forms chubby rosettes of blue-green leaves. The leaves develop in a pink blush along the edges when exposed to sufficient light. The plant is described as a fast-growing. It is popular to decorative plant due to its distinctive color and form.